Hi friends, it's 30th June 2021 today. Just wanted to talk about how we manage manures and pest control in our farm right now. So for manure management, we use Gana Jivamrita, Jivamrita and Panchakavya going forward, sprays. And for pest control, we are right now using neem spray and buttermilk spray. And as a backup, I'm just thinking about mixing neem oil and cotton oil as well. So to start off, before we sow seeds or plant the saplings, we always add Gana Jivamrita. And Gana Jivamrita we make by taking 100 kg of cow dung, 2 kg of jaggery, 2 kg of besan, and then 5 liters of cow urine, little bit of soil from the farm. Mix it well, keep it for 3 to 4 days, and that's it. Gana Jivamrita is ready. And since Gana Jivamrita is dry, it is quite useful in the rainy season. We don't need to add excess water for the want of adding Jivamrita. Instead, we just add the dry Gana Jivamrita and then let the rainwater fall on it, and then it becomes Jivamrita. Next, in the tank that you see over there, we prepare Jivamrita. In one of the previous videos, I've covered how we prepare Jivamrita. We take cow dung, 10 kgs, mix it with water. Then we take jaggery, we take besan, 2 kg each, mixed well with water, and then 5 to 10 liters of water, and then a little bit of soil. So we mix it twice a day, morning and evening, and in about 3 days the Jivamrita will be ready. We predominantly use Jivamrita only in the drip system. We are right now not using Jivamrita for spraying. The plan is to use Panchagavya for spray. So we just started preparing Panchagavya. In fact, just before taking this video, we completed the preparation of Panchagavyas. So the way we prepared is like this. We took 10 kgs of fresh cow dung mixed with like half a liter of ghee, and we soaked them for like 3 days. And every day in the morning and evening, we used to mix the cow dung very well. And after 3 days, we added the other ingredients. So the first one is cow urine 10 liters. Then we added milk 6 liters, curd 6 liters, tender coconut water 4 liters, jaggery 1 kg mixed with water, and then a few banana pieces, like 12 of them. So we used the Robusta variety G9, and water we have added like 10 liters. This mixture, we mixed it very well. Again, the idea is very similar to Jivamrita. We have to mix it every day, morning and evening. And in about 30 days, Panchagavya should be ready. And we are planning to give Panchagavya only through the spray, because preparing Panchagavya is a little expensive. So to prepare about 50 liters of Panchagavya, which is the proportion that I just mentioned, it will cost anywhere between 1500 to 1700 rupees, which means per liter it could work out to 15 to 20 rupees. So the spray, we need to use a 3% solution. Panchagavya will act as a good growth promoter, and I think it also has some properties to repel a few of the pests. So those are the 3 items that we use for manure management: Gana Jivamrita, Jivamrita and Panchagavya. Second, for pest control, predominantly we are using neem spray. Neem spray meaning we need neem oil So we don't have the supply of neem leaves here. Would have been great if we just take neem leaves and boil it, like Subhash Palekar used to tell in his books. But surely, due to the problem of supply, we are taking ready-made neem oil and mix it with water. We also need to add a little bit of an emulsifier for oil to get mixed with water. So either we use a soap liquid, or these days you get good organic neem oil mixed with emulsifier already. I purchased it from Amazon. A liter costs about 600. And to spray, we use a 0.5% concentration. As a backup, we are also planning to use cotton oil mixed with neem oil if the pests are not getting controlled. But so far, things have been decent, I would say. Just with the neem oil spray, for the most part, things are getting controlled. And thirdly, we also have a buttermilk spray